Hi, good afternoon. It's Dave Stoffo from MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. Hope you're doing great. We're here today looking at our 2019 Crest 220. This one's in a beautiful color of steel gray. It's got the rustic gray polyvinyl flooring. This boat is powered with a real nice Mercury 150L. It's a 4-stroke outboard. Runs wonderful. Very nice and quiet outboard engine. The vinyl interior upholstery is trimmed with gray on a light gray. It's got the sport aluminum wheel. It does have the 2-inch depth finder. Nice instrument cluster already in place. You got your Fusion stereo with the Bluetooth that integrates in there real nicely. This one does have the premium stereo with the lit light rings around the speakers, which is really cool. Love this seating plan. You've got the seats that oppose each other, and then this goes like that to give you a nice rear facing lounger there if you like that. Got your cup holders all around. This one does the same as well. A lot of our clients are putting their table mount either here or here, so that's super great. Nice big bimini top. You got your powder coated rails, which is a super nice feature of this boat. So we're in MarineMax here in Beaufort, Georgia. This boat is wonderful. It's the steel gray 2019 Crest 220. We'd love to see you, have a chance to take you on the water in the boat. This particular boat has got the CPT option with the aluminum underskinning, the 48-gallon tank. It also has the C-Star hydraulic steering, and it performs magnificent. So give us a call at 770-614-6968. Give us a chance to take you on the water on the boat. I think if you ride on it, you'll probably own it. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. From Dave Stoffo in Beaufort, Georgia.